This is a set of locking push buttons for cabinets that need to stay shut, for example in boats or RVs. I was sent this pack to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you about $18. I haven't paid for the review, and my opinions remain my own. So you get 5 of these units, and each of the units comes in its own bag. So they are chrome colored, but much of them is plastic. So for example, this little guy here that fits on the outside is plastic. It goes in a standard 1-inch hole, and then this is the actual mechanism here. So we have a piece of metal there for the actual catch, but the box here is plastic. The knob itself that screws off here, that knob is plastic. So this mechanism inside, that bit and this thing that sticks up are metal. And they also include this little metal catch that you put, so you put this in the door and this in the cabinet, and that guy sticks and holds, and then, actually I should say, that guy catches and holds like this, and when you push it in and pull it, then it can go past. So these are used both as a lock to lock in place. So when you push them down, they lock, and at that point they're basically flush mount with this guy here. And then when you pull them out, you can use them to pull the doors open and closed. So it is plastic construction, but I cannot easily bend this back case. So it feels like it's a pretty heavy duty plastic. It's pretty lightweight, it's not going to add a lot of weight, and it does have metal here for kind of the important catching bits. Now it includes 4 screws, so you have 2 to mount this to the back of the cabinet and 2 to mount this to the side of the cabinet. This guy here, it's push to fit. There's little ridges in there, but it doesn't really have any screws. It doesn't attach to this guy, and so that goes in, and so your board of your cabinet will need to be this wide, or it can go out a little bit, but essentially you're going to have a standard width cabinet door there. There's no easy way to adjust this. I suppose you could put some shims on the back, but it doesn't have adjustability built in. Now you can screw this out to take it off, so you could use that for a little bit of adjustment, but if you did that, then it would be free to rotate in and out. So it's really intended to be screwed kind of all the way in. So they're a low price point. They're relatively inexpensive manufacturer. They look very functional, they look like they work well, but you are trading off some quality and metal for that low price.